guys, Dirt and Rust. Just got back from the flea market. Got a big pile of stuff here. Got this strange looking pulley system here, and it's the Wizard Jack by Hellstar. If anybody knows what that was used for, let me know. I bought that for $5. This W-type wrench right here was $1. This and this was $1 together. Pretty rusty. This wire nipped Bernard's, really grungy. The box I had to get into was pretty bad. I wish I had gloves, but sometimes you gotta pick through some really cruddy stuff to get to the good stuff. So these two were $1. Okay, then all this right here, all these from here over, all these wrenches, this box with everything in it, all that right there was $8. The guy was talking to somebody else. He said, "Hey, take all this stuff for $10." And he passed up on it, so I went over there and said, "I'll give you $8." And he took it. So who knows what's in here? I did notice that there was a what do you call it? Oh, shoot, there was a good wrench in here. Yeah, there was a Plumb. So I saw this, and I thought, well, maybe there's some more good stuff in there. Let's see. I see some Stanleys. Challenger. This one was kind of interesting right here. Imco. I don't know if there's more to it over here or not. M.co. Just looks pretty old. There might be a small set of Stanleys in here that I can put together. Probably sell it. Stanley. There's another Stanley there. Another Stanley. It's probably a nice little set there. Proto. Thorson. Fleet. Fuller. And it looks like there's some generic stuff in there too, but for $8, here's a Barcelo. For $8 for all that, that's a no-brainer. These tokens I paid $10 for. Same guy. I don't know much about him. I did see a Chuck E. Cheese pizza token in here, but I don't know. I thought it'd be worth the risk to just see what was in here. Maybe there's one valuable coin in here. Got foreign currency tokens, and he said, "Oh, I don't know what they are. I'm gonna let them go for $10." I said, "Did you check through them?" And he said, "No, I didn't check through them." So if he didn't check through them, I want to be the one that checks through them. So there's some kind of interesting stuff in there. So we'll see. It'll be fun to. And let's see. Look at that. 100. Could that be a gold coin? It doesn't feel that heavy. It's so thick. That would be cool. Probably not though. Probably not. You guys see anything in here that might be valuable? Alright, so we'll go on to the next thing here. And oh, I didn't open up this box. This was a part of the $8 thing. Okay, I'm going to put the phone down for a second. Alright. So it's a little husky box. Maybe it's not that old, but let's see what we got in here. Any knurled stuff? We got some knurled stuff. Husky, that belongs in there. There's some huskies in there. I'm not that familiar with husky, but looks like decent quality. Alright, let's see. And then I got this for all these keys and locks. I paid $8 for this. Hard for me to pass up on old locks and keys. And one of these days I'll show you how much of this stuff I have. I have a ton of locks and keys just like this. But some of it's organized and divided up. I haven't even went through these yet, so I'm just now looking at it for the first time. I just took a quick glance before I bought it. You know, it's just a matter of going through these keys and hopefully finding one that's valuable, or maybe make a set of them and sell them. Sometimes you get a little something cool in there, a little treasure. Those are kind of cool. Okay, I'm running out of memory in my phone, so I'm gonna try to go through these quick. More keys there. Got my dirt and rust there, that's for sure. Alright, that's the rest there on the bottom. And last thing I got was a skateboard. And I'm just going to check that out. I saw those trucks on there, Bullet. I thought they might be valuable. And so I bought the skateboard for $4. And that is it, guys. I think that's it. It was a heavy haul. I could barely carry it out of there. But it was really fun. It had been raining here in Stockton. And now it's a nice sunny day. And really got to have a fun time at the flea market. Do what I love to do. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. Oh, I did forget one thing. I got these skateboard trucks for $1. Both of them. These are Hornet. They're kind of lightweight. They look like they're in good condition, so I was happy to get those too. I don't know the value on them. I haven't looked them up. So, once again, thanks for watching. Okay, bye.